Welcome, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel, which takes you on a journey through time to explore the culture of cars and machines in Egypt and the Arab world. We take you on an exciting trip into the world of automobiles and machinery, uncovering the unique bond between people and their vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our stories. In the late 1950s, Egypt began building a national automotive industry to support its aspirations for economic independence. One of the most significant achievements of this era was the establishment of Nasr Automotive Company. The company did not limit itself to producing passenger cars, its activities extended to manufacturing trucks and buses. In the early 1960s, the Nasr 110 bus emerged as a revolutionary development in the public transportation sector. When the new bus was introduced into the Greater Cairo Transport Company's fleet, Egyptians felt immense pride in a locally made product roaming the capital streets. The bus featured a modern design for its time, and its bright red color, which became a hallmark of Cairo's public transport fleet, only added to its popularity. The front design of the bus was rounded, with large circular headlights, making it resemble a watermelon. As a result, Egyptians affectionately nicknamed it Bateekha, meaning watermelon, a name that became an integral part of its identity in Cairo's streets. This popular nickname was not just a joke but a reflection of the strong bond that developed between Egyptians and their locally manufactured bus. Bateekha was powered by a 6-cylinder Magirus Deutz diesel engine. While the engine was reliable, it struggled with the high temperatures in Cairo, especially during the summer months. The Bateekha remained a familiar sight in Cairo for many years until newer designs gradually replaced it. However, its name was never forgotten. Even today, when Egyptians reminisce about the 1960s and public transportation, the name Nasr 110 resurfaces, bringing back memories of a golden era when the red buses roamed the streets, carrying the dreams and voices of the Egyptian people. Although Bateekha is no longer in service, having been retired entirely in the early 1990s, it has left a lasting mark on the history of the Egyptian automotive industry. It remains a symbol of a time when local production was a source of pride for every Egyptian.